Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I decided to take you again with me. We just recorded a song with a friend of mine, and guess what? I am going for a music video shoot. They are already there. They are there from 6 in the morning, I guess, and now it's 8. I am fully ready and I just need to get my outfits. It will be like 3 outfits for today. Very soon I will be uploading very soon I will be uploading the music video itself and the behind the scenes as well. So I am super excited, but I slept like 4 hours, I guess, so oh, it got broken. Let's get this stuff. I have the denim dress from Guess. It's my present from my best friend. Thank you so much, baby. Then will be a simple one like shirt and the jeans, and the third one is the most dramatic. It's like a long dress, classy. So let me first try to find it. I guess this one. Okay, so we've got 2 dresses right here as well, and we're ready to go. Oh, what about the high heels? Yes, we can be extra. So I will pack the stuff off the camera, we'll go to my car and we'll hit the road because I really need a coffee before we start. Let's go. Thank you. So I arrived, and look who's here and what they do. We will record few shots out here, and then we will go to other location. We will film there. I'm so excited. He's right here with the stabilizer. And don't put it on my car. You better don't put it on my car. We are about to start filming.
Tell me, what do you think about today?
I think it's a wonderful day.
Can you look at me?
You've got a face, look at you.
Yeah, perfect. Oh, you're so hot. Look at me. Now you're sad and now you're... Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to tell you what exactly I'm going to do later on. Yo, what's up, yo?
As more I do, as less emotions I give. Let it clean first. Yeah,
Yo, how much you got this service for? This service. How much you got this service for?
Close this so I can clean it first. Free service. Nothing.
Amir, what do you think of yourself?
I like it.
tell me the feeling of it. Like, are you enjoying it? Like,
It's my dream job, yo. Look it. Hey. Yeah, keep doing the sad feel. I like it. Done.
we start in 3, 2, 1, go. Stop.
Should I turn and go?
Try to look there. I'll be here, okay?
So I'm turning, and I turn back or
No, just turn and just keep looking like that.
Okay. I need to do it in a motion. Like
Yeah, do it in a motion, yeah.
Like I will move and I will turn.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Do it.